Hi guys, good morning. So it's our second day here in Belmont Hotel, Boracay, and I woke up really early. Really early talaga, no? So it's 6:30 a.m. right now, and I have prepared myself because I'll be going to their gym located at the second floor of this hotel. So samahan niyo ako. So this is my gym outfit. Tapos yung kasama ko, matutulog lang daw muna siya. Okay, see you sa gym, guys. Ayan, we are here at the hallway. And bababa tayo because we are located here sa 6th floor and second floor yung gym. Good morning, everyone. Magpapalakas po tayo ngayon ng katawan. Then, second floor. Okay, let's go. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa hallway sa second floor. Okay, so makikita nyo yung pool area here. There. And yung gym daw is nandito sa may kaliwa. So let's see the actual gym. Kuya, where's the gym? And eto, tinutulungan tayo ni Kuya para malocate yung gym. And this is their gym. Yan. This is their gym. I was speaking video, guys. Nice. So I am done with my workout. Yeah, I feel pumped today.